Stay to the end. I'll show real costs at the dealer versus other options. Foggy rear taillights after rain or a wash. You're not imagining it. Mazda issued a Technical Service Bulletin. We'll cover symptoms, Mazda's TSB, the fix, DIY attempts, and real-world costs. Plus when it's normal, when it's not, and how to get it handled under warranty. Let's dive in. Symptom 1. Light, misty haze that clears on its own, sometimes one side, sometimes both. It often evaporates after a drive or as the lamps warm up. Symptom 2. It returns after every wash or rain and gets worse over time. Symptom 3. Visible droplets or heavier moisture that doesn't clear. That's repair territory. If wiping the lens does nothing, moisture is inside the housing. Mazda TSB 0901923 NHTSA 10235418 covers this condition. A TSB guides dealers on diagnosis and repair. It can be covered if you qualify. It's not a recall. Recalls address safety and mandate fixes. Earlier, TSB 0901419 covered 2017-2018 CX-5. The issue still appears on later models. If it's in a TSB, it's common enough for Mazda to document the fix. Cause: moisture enters via ventilation tubes, condensing inside the rear combination lights. Official fix: verify the symptom, then replace both rear lamp assemblies with updated parts. Updated families include KBYB 51 160 150 and KBYA 51 160 150. Fitment depends on your VIN. The revision aims to block water at the vent and prevent repeat fogging. Even if one side fogs, the bulletin calls for replacing both with the updated parts. Some dealers say light mist that clears is normal, no pooling, no problem. Owners counter, it's a known issue with a known fix. Document it if it keeps returning. Repeat moisture can stain lenses and risk electrical issues. Another reason to repair. Tip: take photos when it's fogged. Note date, weather, and if it followed rain or a wash. When booking, reference TSB 0901923 and mention recurrence. Set expectations early. Brief, occasional haze can be a normal temperature-humidity effect that resolves. If it returns after every wash or rain, or worsens, push for repair. Mazda notes condensation can occur, especially with clear lenses, but persistent droplets that don't clear are different. Document those. Output may look fine, but lingering moisture signals a root cause issue. DIY: let it evaporate or park in the sun. Temporary only. Some gently warm the housing, careful not to overheat. Short term at best. Others try sealing seams after drying. Mixed results, and not Mazda approved. Cheaper aftermarket or used lamps vary in sealing quality. Repeat issues can start there. Many reports end with a dealer swap under warranty. Problem gone. Labor time is short, about 0.3 hours for both sides on the bulletin. Parts drive cost. KBYB lamps run about $291 each online. MSRP roughly $420. KBYA families can list around $135, $160 each. Your VIN determines fit. Realistic dealer out of pocket with markup and fees, about $600 to $200 plus. Independent shop, roughly $100, $250 labor plus parts, often $450 to $900 total with OEM. Warranty: 3 years, 36,000 miles can cover verified cases. Warranty repairs use genuine Mazda parts at no cost when defects are confirmed. Bring clear photos. Note recurrence after rain or washes. Ask for inspection per TSB 0901923. Parts are VIN specific. The dealer will look up the correct updated lamps. If verified and within coverage, many owners get a straightforward replacement. Step 1. Document. Photos or quick video right when fogging appears. Step 2. Log dates, mileage, and whether it repeats. Recurrence matters. Step 3. Book service and reference TSB 0901923. Ask for verification and updated parts. Step 4. Let the dealer verify. If they call it normal and it returns, go back with new evidence. Step 5. Try another dealer or escalate to Mazda customer care if needed. Quick edge haze that clears, often normal. Persistent droplets, get it serviced. Dealer fix per TSB. Replace both rear lamp assemblies with updated versions. Expect roughly 600,200 plows at a dealer. or $450–900 at an independent with OEM parts. Under warranty, verified cases are usually covered with genuine Mazda parts. Goal: stop repeat fogging and protect your lighting long-term. Bottom line: parts set the price. KBYB is higher, KBYA can be lower. Labor is minimal, fees add up. Finding genuine parts at a discount can save hundreds out of warranty. Best path: document, verify, and install the updated lamps, ideally under warranty. If this helped, like and subscribe. Comment: did your dealer fix it or call it normal? I'll keep tracking updates on TSB 0901923 for CX-5 owners. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.